Hope you all are doing good. So, welcome to the next session of the revision. So, in this lecture, we are going to complete uh, material cost topic. So, let's quickly start, guys. Friends, we'll start with the first part. Very basic thing we are going to discuss now, which is very important to solve any question. Yes, friends. So, material cost will be divided into three parts. Which are the three parts of the material cost? This you already have written in your notebook. Tell me, sir. Material cost is divided into three parts. Which are the three parts, Sirji? Ordering cost, carrying cost, and purchase price. In that ordering cost, which cost you are going to incur? In ordering cost, Sirji. In ordering cost, Sirji, transportation cost, transit insurance, telecommunication expenses, postage, or any advertisement you have made for procurement of the raw material, salary of the person who is preparing that purchase order. These are all expenses incurred in ordering cost. In carrying cost, you are going to incur expenses relating to the storeroom plus any interest charges on working capital finance block. So all store related expenses will be covered into that storage cost or carrying cost: rent, electricity, repairs, maintenance, salary of the person, depreciation of the furniture, equipment, building, etc. Insurance of the raw material, deterioration and obsolescence. This deterioration and obsolescence, so many times they have asked separately in examination. And most important part is interest on interest cost on working capital finance block. So this is also your carrying cost. Now, guys, boys and girls, please tell me what will be your formula. What will be your formula for ordering cost? Yes, sir. You'll have to tell me what will be your formula for ordering cost. Start, Sarji. Fast take them. Ordering cost. Formula for ordering cost is equal to number of orders multiplied by, is it cost per order? How to calculate that number of order? You know, Sarji, number of orders is equal to annual requirement. Annual requirement divided by, is it order size? Multiplied by cost per order. Now, what will be your formula for carrying a cost? Annual carrying cost, if you want to calculate, what will be the formula, guys? Is it average inventory multiplied by carrying cost per unit per annum? How to calculate that average inventory, sir? Order size divided by 2. Order size divided by 2 will be your carrying cost average inventory formula. Next one, tell me what will be your formula for economic order quantity. EOQ is equal to under root of 2 into A into O divided by C. Here A stand for, Sarji, annual requirement. Very important point you will have to remember. This is not annual requirement. This is annual purchases. What you are going to consider here? Annual purchases and not consumption. Annual purchases. O stand for ordering cost per order. C stand for carrying cost per unit per annum. Okay, sir. This is your economic order quantity formula. Very important observation, at economic order quantity, your ordering cost should equal to your carrying cost. Yes, what is your formula, sir? At economic order quantity, whatever your ordering cost will exactly match with the carrying cost. So this is main important point of economic order quantity. What is the relationship between ordering cost and carrying cost? If you remember, relationship between ordering cost and carrying cost. No, सर जी भूल गए, short term memory loss. I'll inform, sir, don't worry. Boys and girls, let's discuss one very important point. Relationship between, concentrate on this chart, relationship between ordering cost and carrying cost. If your order size is high, in one order, by the way, what is order size? Very basic question I have asked. What is the order size? Quantity you purchase in one order. Batch size, order size. How much raw material you purchase in one order is called as the order size. Saji, if your order size is higher, then what will be its effect on number of orders? Saji, order size is higher. Say for example, your annual requirement is 12,000. Your annual requirement is 12,000 and you purchase directly 12,000 at a time. So if your order size is higher, your number of order will be lower, correct? If your number of order is lower, ordering cost will be lower. But if your order size is higher, then what will be its impact on average inventory? Why? Are what is the formula for average inventory? Order size divided by 2. If your order size is higher, then average inventory will be higher. And if average inventory will be higher, carrying cost will be higher. Yes or no? Next one. Sarji, order size is lower. Say for example, at a time you are purchasing 12,000 divided by only 1,000 quantity you are purchasing at a time. Then how many order you'll have to place, guys? 12 order. So if your order size decreases, so it will increase your number of orders. If number of order increases, ordering cost will increase. Correct, guys? And what will be its impact on average inventory? Formula for average inventory is order size divided by 2. If your order size is lower, your average inventory will be lower. If your average inventory will be lower, your carrying cost will be lower. Correct, guys? Next one. Sarji, if in a question it is given that if you order 6,000 unit at a time, 5% discount is available. If you order 12,000 at a time, 10% discount is available. Repeat what I told you, Sarji. Suppose your annual requirement is 12,000. How much is your annual requirement? 12,000. But if you order in a lot size of 6,000 at a time, you are eligible to get 5% discount. If you order 12,000 units at a time, you are eligible to get 10% discount. So question will be in examination, will you follow economic order quantity or you will follow that discount policy? What will be your question, Sarji? Will you follow economic order quantity or you will follow that discount policy? Such question will be solved with the help of this table where you are going to compare three costs. First cost will be your ordering cost, second cost will be your carrying cost, and third one will be your purchase price. So ordering cost and carrying cost will be compared with the purchase price. Then take a total cost. Say for example, total cost under EOQ policy is 6,18,000, and if you follow discount policy, total cost comes to 6,15,000. Tell me, will you follow economic order quantity or you will follow that discount policy? So wherever cost is lower, you will have to follow that. Is it clear, guys? Next, very important thumb rule you will have to remember. Very important thumb rule you will have to remember. Guys, boys and girls, online student can send me messages also. Now chat are on, so you can send me that charts. Okay. So boys and girls, next part, let's discuss that. Very important. First important point. What are the permutation combination that can be asked in that annual requirement? Full concentration here, full focus here. Guys, boys and girls, it is given in the question. First question I'll tell you. Sarji, finished product quarterly requirement is 6,000. Finished product quarterly requirement is 6,000. 1 unit of finished product requires 6 kg of material. Now you'll have to tell me how much will be the annual requirement of the raw material. Fast answer is expected from you. Yes, Sarji. Quickly tell me, sir. Calculate, Sarji. What I have written there. Company manufacture final product. Requirement of the final product is 6,000 per quarter. 1 unit of final product required 6 kg of material. Always you'll have to calculate that annual requirement of material. So how much will be the material requirement? You'll have to tell me. Fast answer is expected from all of you. 1,44,000. How you have calculated that? First of all, find the requirement of that final product. Sarji, 6,000 per quarter multiplied by how many quarter you have, Sarji? Is it 4 quarter? So how much is your final product requirement? Final product requirement is 24,000, correct? Then apply that input output ratio. Sarji, 1 unit of final product required 6 kg of material. So if you want to produce 24,000 quantity of final product, how much will be the requirement of the material? 24,000 multiplied by 6 divided by 1. How much will be your answer, Sarji? Is it 1,44,000? Is it clear to every one of you? Next, one more question I will ask. Sir, now you tell me, Sirji, final product monthly requirement. Final product monthly requirement is 10,000. 2 units of finished goods obtained from 1 kg of raw material. Find the annual requirement. Everyone try, Sirji. What I have written over there. Monthly demand of the final product is 10,000. Final product monthly demand is 10,000. 2 units of final product is obtained from 1 kg of raw material. Fast answer, quickly answer, guys. Yes, Sirji. Sir, how much will be the annual requirement of raw material? 60,000. How? First of all, tell me final product requirement. How much is that final product requirement? Sirji, 10,000 multiplied by 12 month. Is it, Sirji, 1,20,000? Now tell me what will be your input and output ratio? 2:1 or 1:2? Sir, what will be the input? If 1 kg is your input, then output will be 2 units. So if you want to produce 1,20,000 units of final product, how much kg material will be required? Is it 1,20,000 multiplied by 1 divided by 2? Is it 60,000? Are you agree with this? So please read question carefully. Whether raw material information is given or final product information is given, you'll have to read it carefully. If final product information is given, then use this input output ratio and find annual requirement of that raw material. Is it clear to every one of you? Next one. Sirji, second important point which we will discuss in ordering cost. Everyone please concentrate. Boys and girls, your annual requirement is 40,000. How much is your annual requirement? 40,000. And it is given in a question, order size is 15,000. Order size is 15,000. Order size is 12,000. Now you tell me how much will be the number of orders. What is the formula for number of order, guys? Yes, Sirji. What is the formula for number of orders? Fast answer, Sirji. Yes, formula for number of orders. Annual requirement divided by order size. Correct? Annual requirement divided by order size. How much is your annual requirement? Is it 40,000? How much is your order size in a first column, Sirji? Is it 15,000 is your order size? So 40,000 divided by 15,000. Tell me how many orders you are going to place. What will be your answer, guys? 2.67. Sir, second, if I am going to order 12,000 at a time, then 40,000 divided by 12,000. Kindly tell me how much will be the number of order, guys? 3.33 something. Yes or no? One important point you'll have to remember in examination, number of order cannot be in a fraction. Number of orders cannot be in a fraction. So instead of 2.67, how many order you will have to place? 3 order. Instead of 3.33, is it 3 or 4? Sirji, if your answer is 3.10 also, you'll have to place how many order, guys? 4. Next order you'll have to consider. Which order you'll have to consider, guys? Next order. It is not like that. Up to 0.50 previous digit, after 0.50 next digit. No, Sirji. If 3.01 is also there, you'll have to pass 4 orders. So if order is in fraction, don't forget to round up that order in next digit. Next one. Very important point about the carrying cost. Sirji, in a question it is given that material handling and freight cost is 750 per order. Handling cost is 360. Freight charges is 390. First, please tell me, everyone please tell me, handling charges and freight is given per order. Is it a ordering cost or is it a carrying cost? Aram se sir. Material handling cost is 360 and freight charges is 390 and it is given per order. Then this handling and freight is ordering cost or carrying cost? Saji, 750 is your answer. 750 will be ordering cost or it is a carrying cost? Yes, I am waiting for your answer. Or handling cost is a carrying cost and freight is ordering cost. What do you think, Sarji? Some answer is expected from all of you. Tell me quickly. Both are ordering cost? Yes, sir. Institute will purposefully fool you. Some student will think that handling cost is a carrying cost. No. Material handling will be required at the time of loading or at the time of unloading. Means at the time you purchase the order, this material will be handled. So remember, Sarji, handling cost and freight is your ordering cost and not your carrying cost. Is it clear to every one of you? So next one. Boys and girls, it is given in a question, carrying cost is suppose 20%. Now what you will do, sir? We have learned one very important, interesting part. If carrying cost is given in percentage, then if carrying cost is given in percentage, then apply that percentage on purchase price. Are you agree with this, sir? If carrying cost is given in percentage, apply that percentage on purchase price. Say for example, purchase price of that raw material is 100. Then how much will be the carrying cost? Sir, tell me, carrying cost per unit per annum will be 100 multiplied by 20%. Is it 20 rupees? Yes or no? Next one. Everyone please concentrate. Next very important point I am going to discuss. Guys, Sarji, your annual requirement is 12,000. Purchase price of the raw material is 100. Purchase price of raw material is 100. Then ordering cost is suppose 75 rupees. How much is ordering cost? 75 rupees. And suppose carrying cost is 20%. Calculate economic order quantity yourself. Purchase price I have changed. 10 rupees is your purchase price. Ordering cost is 75 rupees. Sarji, you will have to tell me how much will be your economic order quantity, EOQ. Anyone got the answer? No? How much is your economic order quantity, Sarji? Under root of 2 into A into O divided by C. So under root of 2 into annual requirement is 12,000. How much is your ordering cost per order? Is it 75? How much is your carrying cost per unit per annum? Is it 20%? So 20% is applicable on what? Purchase price. How much is your purchase price, guys? Is it 10 rupees? Yes or no? Or 1 rupee, sir? I'll take 1 rupees, not 10 rupees. 1 rupee, sir. Directly 1 rupees. Simple I'll make, Sarji. Now you tell me what will be your economic order quantity. Please, fast answer is expected from all of you. 300? 300, 3000, something is your answer. Are you sure 3000 is your answer, guys? Check, Sarji. 2 multiplied by 12,000 multiplied by 75 divided by 0.20, 90 lakhs under root. Whether your answer is 3000? Yes or no? Now I will change one question. Everyone will have to concentrate here. Everyone will have to concentrate here, sir. It is given in a question. If order size is 6,000, company is ready to give you 5% discount. Company is ready to give you, how much is discount, guys? 5% discount. Now please tell me which two column you will have to compare. First column will be your economic order quantity and second column will be your discount policy. Correct, Prabhu? First cost will be your ordering cost. What is the formula for ordering cost? Fast, Saji, fast, Saji. Number of orders multiplied by, is it cost per order? Sarji, number of order, 12,000 is my annual requirement. What is your EOQ? Is it 3,000 multiplied by cost per order? Sir, cost per order is 75, correct? If I want to follow that discount policy, what will be my order size? When I will get the discount, Sarji? If I purchase directly 6,000 at a time, yes or no? So, Sarji, 12,000 divided by 6,000 multiplied by 75. Quickly tell me what will be my ordering cost under economic order quantity, sir. Anyone got that answer? Are you sure 300? In case of that discount policy, how much will be my ordering cost? Is it 150, Prabhu? Next one, Tell me what is the formula for carrying cost. Sir ji, carrying cost is equal to average inventory multiplied by carrying cost per unit per annum. Now you tell me average inventory, order size divided by 2. My order size is 3000 divided by 2. Order size is 6000 divided by 2. Please concentrate here. How much is your carrying cost? Is it 20%? Are high na? 20% is applicable on what? Purchase price. Without a discount, if you follow economic order quantity, how much is your purchase price? Is it 1 rupees is your purchase price? But if you apply that discount, is it 0.95 is your purchase price? So carrying cost will change as per discount policy, or carrying cost will not change as per the discount policy? Will change, because carrying cost is given in percentage. We apply that percentage on purchase price. If purchase price change, automatically carrying cost will also change. So tell me, in the first column your answer will be 300 only, correct? In the second column, what will be your answer, guys? 6000 divided by 2 multiplied by 0.20 multiplied by 0.95. Is it 570, Prabhu? Now tell me how much will be the purchase price. Sir, purchase price in the first column, is it 1 rupees? If I want discount, my purchase price is 0.95. Agreed, sir? Some student will make a mistake here. 1 rupees multiplied by what? 0.95 will be multiplied by what? Please tell me some answer, then I'll check, sir ji. Haan, sir ji. Sir ji, 1 rupees multiplied by 3000 and 0.95 multiplied by 6000, or 1 and 0.95 will be multiplied with annual requirement, sir ji. Remember, you'll have to multiply with annual requirement. If you multiply first column by 3000, if you multiply second column by 6000, data is not comparable, correct? So always multiplied by annual requirement. Yes, sir ji. Tell me, what will be the answer here? And what will be the answer in the next column, guys? 11,000? 11,400. Please tell me what will be the total cost under first column. Total cost will be, is it 12,600, guys? Under discount policy, what will be the total cost? Can you please tell me, guys? 12,120. Now please tell me which policy should be followed. Economic order policy should be followed, or discount policy is followed? Discount policy should be followed, because your total cost is lower here, correct? But what assumption you will have to write here? You will have to write assumption that carrying cost will change as per discount policy. But if in a question it is directly given that carrying cost will not change as per discount policy, it is directly given in a question, assume carrying cost will not change as per the discount policy. So tell me how much carrying cost per unit you will take in the second scenario. Is it 0.20 only? Why? It is given in a question, carrying cost will not change. One more thing you will have to remember. If carrying cost is given directly in rupee term, if carrying cost is given directly in rupee term, Saji, 10 rupees is your carrying cost, then with discount carrying cost will change, or carrying cost will not change? Why will not change? Sarji, remember, if carrying cost is given in percentage, apply that percentage on purchase price, correct? So if your purchase price changes, automatically carrying cost will change. But if your carrying cost is directly given in rupee term, carrying cost will not change as per discount policy. This is thumb rule. So tell me when it will change and when it will not change. If carrying cost is given in percentage, then it will change, and carrying cost is given directly in rupee term, then it will not change. And what if assumption is given in a question that carrying cost will not change? Then directly assumption is given in a question, carrying cost will not change. What you will do, sir? Will change or will not change? Then will not change. So this main important principle you will have to remember. Now everyone, guys, will solve yes sir, we'll solve some question, but before that, Anyways, it is not working. Okay. Now everyone please tell me, Sarji, some important points. Everyone please concentrate on this important point. If in a question, data for final product is given, we have solved 2-3 questions today. If in a question data of final product is given, then how to calculate raw material requirement? With the help of input output ratio. Next one. If carrying cost is given in percentage, then sir, what will do, sir? Apply that percentage on purchase price. Next one. If discount is not given, sir, concentrate here. If discount is not given in a question, then please tell me, will you compare the purchase price, or there is no point to compare the purchase price? If discount is not given, then don't compare the purchase price, because same purchase price will be there in both the column. Yes or no? But if in a question discount is given, then you will have to compare the purchase price. Okay, sir. If carrying cost is given in amount term, then directly carrying cost is given 20 rupees, 12 rupees in amount term. It will change or it will not change as per the discount policy? Will not change as per the discount policy, correct? If carrying cost is given in percentage term, then will change or will not change? Will change as per the discount policy. If assumption is not given, it will change as per the discount policy. You will have to select that order where total cost is minimum. Like in a previous question, EOQ compare with the discount policy. If cost under discount policy is lower, then follow the discount policy. If cost under EOQ is lower, then follow EOQ. Yes, sir. Sir, quickly solve this question orally or rough pages very fast, sir. Annual demand. How much is annual demand? Read everyone. Annual demand 24,000. Ordering cost 90 rupees per order. Carrying cost 12%. Sir, 12% is applicable on what? Are 12% is applicable on what? Purchase price. Yes or no, sir? How much is your purchase price? Is it 25? Advise company if it is proposes to place monthly order if discount is 4%. By the way, how much is your annual demand? How much is your annual demand? And if you want to purchase monthly, how much will be your order size? If you want to purchase monthly, how much will be your order size? Is it 2000? Why? Monthly means how many order will be there? 12 orders. So 24,000 divided by 12. Sarji, is it 2000? Yes or no? Okay. Let's calculate economic order quantity. Sarji, formula you know, economic order quantity under root of 2 into AO divided by C. 2 into 24,000. How much is the ordering cost given in a question? 90 rupees. How much is the carrying cost given in a question, Sarji? 12%. 12% is applicable on what? Purchase price. How much is the purchase price? Is it 25? So please calculate and tell me how much will be the economic order quantity in this question. 1000? Are you sure? 1200? Next. Saji, please tell me. Under EOQ, order size is 1200, correct? Under discount policy, how much is the order size? When you will get discount? If you place monthly order. Sir, monthly order means 12,000, sorry. Annual requirement 24,000, correct? Divided by 12 orders. Monthly 1 order, 12 monthly 12 order. So 24,000 divided by 12. Is it order size is 2,000? Tell me how much will be the ordering cost under EOQ. You will tell, I'll write. Acha, ordering cost is given in a question is 90 rupees per order. Yes, sir. Time up. How much is your ordering cost? Okay, so what will be your formula, Sirji? Annual requirement. Sir, your annual requirement is 24,000 divided by how much is your order size? Is it 1200? Correct, sir? multiplied by how much is the cost per order? Is it 90? In the second column, what will be your calculation? 24,000 is your annual requirement divided by order size is, I think so, 2,000 multiplied by number of ordering cost is 90 rupees. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can anyone tell me what will be your ordering cost in the first column? 1,800. Are you sure? In the second column, what will be your ordering cost, guys? Can someone tell me? 1080. What is the formula for carrying cost? Sirji, carrying cost, average inventory multiplied by carrying cost per unit per annum. Yes or no? So tell me how to calculate average inventory. Order size divided by 2. Order size is 1200 divided by 2. And in the next column, order size is 2000 divided by 2 multiplied by carrying cost. Sir, how much is the carrying cost given in a question? Read, Sirji. Is it 12%? 12% applicable on purchase price. So 12% multiplied by purchase price is 25. In the second column, how much discount you will get? 4%, sir. 25 minus 4%. What will be your new purchase price? 12, Mr. G. 12% multiplied by, I think so, 24 rupees. Now you tell me quickly what will be my carrying cost, Sir G. 1200 divided by 2 multiplied by 0.12 multiplied by 25. Is it 1800? 2000 divided by 2 multiplied by 0.12 multiplied by 24. Sir, how much is your answer? Is it 2880? Now you tell me how much will be the purchase price applicable here. Show me calculation. Tell me calculation, Sir Ji. Under EOQ, what will be the purchase price? 25, na sir? And under EOQ 25. Under discount policy, 24. Multiplied by, sir, multiplied by what? Order size or annual requirement? Always multiplied by annual requirement. Sir, how much is your annual requirement? 24,000. Second column also 24,000. Sir, please tell me what will be your answer? Exactly 6 lakhs. In the next column, what will be the answer, Sir Ji? 5,76,000. 24 square 576. Correct, na Sir Ji? 5,76,000. Now tell me what will be the total cost under economic order policy, Sir Ji? 6,03,600, Prabhu. In the next, what will be the answer, Sir Ji? 5 lakhs. 5,79,960. Which policy should be followed by the company, whether to go for economic order quantity or whether to go for discount policy? Where your cost is lowest? Discount policy cost is lowest. You'll have to write. What you'll have to write there? Assumption. What assumption? Carrying cost will change as per discount policy. Yes, your carrying cost will change as per the discount policy. This will be your assumption. Yes, sir. So first part is over. Let's go to the next part of the topic, that is various stock levels. Let's go to various stock levels. Before we go to various stock level, let's understand various type of consumption. There are 3 type of consumption: maximum consumption, minimum consumption, average consumption. Maximum consumption, minimum consumption, average consumption. What do you mean by consumption, sir? Maximum consumption means how much maximum quantity you will consume in any one day, any 1 week, as the case may be. Minimum consumption means how much minimum quantity, at least that quantity is required in any one day, any 1 week, or as the case may be. Average consumption means on an average how much quantity you consume in any one day, any 1 week, as the case may be. Everyone will have to focus here and will have to help me out. If in a question maximum consumption is given 100, if in a question minimum consumption is given 60, kindly tell me what will be your average consumption. Average consumption is not given in a question. So what will be your average consumption, Sirji? Is it 100 plus 60 divided by 2? Is it 80? So if average consumption is not given in a question, you will apply the formula minimum consumption plus maximum consumption divided by 2. Correct, sir? A very important rule. If in a question average consumption is directly given 75. Average consumption is directly given 75, sir. But problem is that minimum plus maximum comes to 80. But in a question average consumption is directly given 75. Which figure you will consider? Will you consider 75 or you will consider 80? Why 75? This formula is applicable only if, sir, minimum plus maximum divided by 2. This formula is applicable only if average consumption is not given in a question. Are you agree with this? If average consumption is given in a question, whatever figure they have given, 71, 72, 75, 80, 85, you will have to apply that figure. This formula will be applicable only if average consumption is not given. Next one. Next one is a lead time, Sirji. What do you mean by lead time? Lead time is a time gap between order is placed and order is received. Again, there are three types of lead time. First one will be the maximum lead time. Next one will be the minimum lead time. Next one will be the average lead time. Say for example, maximum lead time is 10 days. Maximum time 10 means within 10 days, 100% you will get the raw material. Minimum is a 6 days. Now, if average lead time is not given, please tell me how to calculate that average lead time. Same. Minimum lead time plus maximum lead time divided by 2. Minimum 6, maximum 10 divided by 2. Your answer comes to 8. Yes or no? But what if in a question, average lead time, normal lead time is specifically given 7? What you will apply? You will apply 8 or you will apply 7? You will apply 7. This formula again is applicable only if average lead time is not given to you. Chalo. Let's go to the next main important part, various level. Sirji, you will have to remember reorder level. You will have to remember maximum level. You will have to remember minimum level. You will have to remember average level. You will have to remember danger level. Reorder level formula, if you remember, sir, tell me what is the formula for reorder level? Sirji, maximum consumption multiplied by, is it maximum lead time plus safety stock? If any safety stock maintained by the company, you will have to add that. What is the formula for maximum level, Sirji? Maximum level is reorder level plus reorder quantity. Reorder level plus reorder quantity minus, sir, I told you one simple hint at the time of this maximum level. If you want maximum answer, in the negative side, you should write minimum. If you write in the negative side minimum, then only you will get the maximum answer. So, sir, the reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption multiplied by minimum lead time. Agreed, sir? Yes or no? Remember maximum. So, in a bracket, you will write minimum. Next one, minimum level. So, the reorder level minus average consumption multiplied by average lead time. Normal consumption multiplied by normal lead time. Now remember two formulas for average level, and both the formula will give you different answer. Both the formula will give you different answer. Examination, both formula you should write. Simple formula, Sirji. Minimum level plus maximum level divided by 2. Correct, Sirji? One more formula is there, Sirji. That formula will be minimum level plus 1 by 2 into reorder quantity. Yes or no? Both the formula will give you different answer in most of the question. In one of the question we had solved in our exam, in our classroom, that answer is same. Rest all answer will be different. Danger level is applicable only if. Danger level is applicable only if emergency lead time is given in a question. Remember, sir, if emergency lead time given, then only you will have to calculate danger level. Sir, in examination, they will give the data, maximum consumption, minimum consumption, average consumption, maximum lead time, minimum lead time, average lead time, and they will ask you to calculate all levels. They will ask you to calculate all levels. But if emergency lead time is not given, you cannot calculate danger level. So danger level formula is very simple. Average consumption multiplied by emergency lead time. What is your formula, Sirji? Average consumption multiplied by emergency lead time. Emergency lead time is how much urgent time you require to get an order. Yes, sir. Now, some important tricky point you'll have to remember in this type of question that important tricky point are full concentration here. Latest two attempt. So the latest two attempt. So the last two attempt. One of the attempt they have asked this adjustment, and you'll have to answer this. Full concentration here. What I have written, guys? Average lead time is 7 days, and difference between maximum lead time and minimum lead time is 4 days. Difference between maximum lead time and minimum lead time is 4 days. Recent examination they have asked this question, Sirji. Can you please tell me what will be the maximum lead time? What will be the minimum lead time? Sirji, maximum lead time. Kindly tell me, sir, what will be the maximum lead time? Sir, maximum lead time will be 9. Minimum lead time will be 5. And average already given in a question 7. Sir, whether that line is correct? Difference between minimum lead time and maximum lead time is 4 days. Sir, yes or no? 9 and 5. Your answer will be 4 days difference. Correct, Sirji? Why I have added 2 and why I have deducted 2? Difference between minimum and maximum is 4. So always divide by 2. 2 will be added, 2 will be deducted. So one more question to you. Sirji, average lead time is 10 days. And difference between minimum and maximum lead time is 6 days. Fast answer, quick answer, Sirji. What will be the maximum lead time? Is it 13? And what will be the minimum lead time, Sirji? Minimum lead time will be 7. Why? Check, Sirji. Difference between 13 and 7. Is it 6? So what you will do in examination? Just simple. 6 divided by 2. What is your answer? Is it 3? 3 will be added and 3 will be deducted from that average. Correct, guys? Next, hidden adjustment in this question. That hidden adjustment will be, Sirji, average consumption is 75 and maximum consumption is 100. Tell me what will be the minimum consumption. No need to calculate, Sirji. Immediately with looking at this you can answer, Sirji. Minimum consumption can be 50. Yes or no? Why? How much is the difference between average and maximum? Is it 25? So in that average, if you add 25, you will get maximum. If you deduct 25, you will get minimum. And cross check also possible, na, Sirji? 50 plus 100 divided by 2 will be average. Sirji, 150 divided by 2. Sir, how much will be your answer? Is it 75? Yes or no? Next, most difficult question of this type I will discuss, Sirji. Most difficult question. Company manufacture final product. And in that final product, average production is 200. Maximum production is 225. Minimum production is 175. I am not talking about raw material, Prabhu. I am talking about finished product. 200 units per week you will produce. 225 units per week you will produce. 175 units per week you will produce, sir. Final product. And it is given in a question, to produce 1 unit of final product, you require 3 material. Material A, material B, material C. To produce 1 unit of final product, A required 10 kg, B required 5 kg, and C required 8 kg. Can you please tell me maximum consumption of A minimum consumption of A and average consumption of A, B, C. Yes, sir ji. I'll repeat my question. Difficult question is there in your study material. We have taken this question where it is given demand of the final product. Company produce average 200 units per week, maximum 225 units per week, and minimum 175 units per week. Now, to produce 1 unit of final product, 3 raw material required: material A, material B, material C. 10, 5 and 8 kg required to produce 1 unit of final product. Now, if I want to solve this minimum level, maximum level, danger level, reorder level, I need maximum consumption, minimum consumption, average consumption. Now, can you please tell me how to calculate maximum consumption of A, maximum consumption of B, maximum consumption of C? Tell me how much maximum final product you will produce. How much maximum final product you will produce, Sirji? Is it 225? 225, 225, 225. Multiplied by 1 unit required. How much material, Sirji? Is it 10, 5 and 8? Tell me how much will be the maximum requirement of raw material A. Fast answer, Sirji. Is it 2250, Sirji? How much will be the maximum requirement of raw material 2? Is it 1250, guys? Or 1125? Sir, calculate now. 225 into 5. 1125. And 225 into 8, Sirji. 1800. Are you getting the point, guys? What will be the minimum consumption of material A, material B, material B? Sir, minimum how many final product you will produce? Sir, minimum how many final product you will produce? Is it 175? 175, 175, 175 multiplied by, yes, Sirji, multiplied by 10, multiplied by 5, multiplied by 8. Please tell me, is it 1750 will be minimum consumption? 175 multiplied by 5, Sirji, how much will be your answer? 875. 175 multiplied by 8, Prabhu. 1000. Are you sure, Sirji? And how much will be the average consumption of the raw material? Sir, on an average, how much final product you will produce, Sirji? Is it 200, Prabhu? So 200, 200, 200 multiplied by 10 quantity, 5 quantity and 8 quantity will be required. Is it 2000? Is it 1000? And is it 1600? Yes or no, sir? Clear, sir? Difficult question. They may ask in examination. Next, most important part. Everyone please concentrate. How much is your annual requirement of material? 72,000. Number of days in a year? 360 days given in a question. 360 days given in a question. Read, sir. How much is my annual requirement? 72,000. How many number of days are given in a question? 360. Difference between maximum and minimum consumption is 20. Now you will have to calculate what will be your maximum consumption, what will be your minimum consumption, and what will be your average consumption. Most important type, Sirji. Most important point, Sirji. How to do that? Can you please guess, Sirji, how to do that? First of all, you can calculate average consumption. How you can calculate average consumption? Concentrate. How you can calculate average consumption? Annual requirement 72,000 divided by 360. So this is your average consumption. Is it 200 quantity, Sirji? Yes or no? So remember, this annual requirement is nothing but your, Sirji, average consumption in a year. Annual requirement is nothing but on an average how much quantity you consume in a year divided by 360 divided by number of days. You will get, guys, 200. What is that 200? Average consumption. Now easily you can tell Difference between maximum and minimum consumption is 20. So what will be your maximum consumption, Prabhu? Is it 210? And what will be your minimum consumption, Prabhu? Is it 190? How? Difference is 20 divided by 2 means 10 add 10 less. Is it clear, guys? Yes or no? So remember what important thing I told you. Annual requirement is nothing but your average consumption of a year. Correct, sir? If you divide. Next answer, Sirji. Annual requirement is 52,000. Annual requirement is 52,000. Tell me average consumption per week. Sir, no need of calculator, Prabhu. Sir, no need of calculator, Prabhu. Annual requirement is 52,000, correct? And what I told you, what will be the average consumption per week? What you will do, Prabhu? 52,000 divided by 52 week. Is it 1,000 is my average consumption? So what is the thumb rule? Annual requirement is nothing but average consumption. Yes or no? Sir, full concentration here. Last point, then we'll solve one practical question. Then we'll move ahead with the next concept. Full concentration here, Sirji. 2, 3 question, 4 question we have solved in our notebook. Where, Sirji, only one consumption is given. Suppose 100. Average consumption is only given, Sirji. 100. And only one lead time is given. Average lead time is 10 days. Sir, only one consumption given in a question and only one lead time is given in a question and no hint given how to calculate that maximum consumption, maximum lead time, minimum lead time. Only this information is given. Then thumb rule is that, sir, now you will stuck in formula like reorder level. What is the formula for reorder level, Prabhu? Maximum consumption multiplied by maximum lead time. Yes or no? Now you don't have maximum consumption, you don't have maximum lead time. So what I told you at that time, if in a question we have written in a margin of your notebook, we have written like this. If in a question maximum consumption, minimum consumption, average consumption not given separately, maximum lead time, minimum lead time, average lead time not given separately, then what you will do? Sir, assume 100 as maximum, assume 100 as minimum, assume 100 as average. Yes or no? If in a question only one lead time is given, that is 10, assume 10 as a maximum, assume 10 as a minimum, assume 10 as a average. Yes or no? Is it clear to every one of you? So there are some question in examination, they asked only one consumption given and only one lead time given. Then student get confused. How to calculate maximum, minimum? No, sir. If only one data given, apply in each formula that level. And remember one more thing. Sirji, if this information, only one information is given, na, generally institute will give you safety stock also. Check question, Sirji. Whatever question we solve, if only one consumption is given and only one lead time is given, generally in that question, institute gives safety stock as well. Clear, guys? Next. तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा. What? तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा means what? Sirji, reorder level given to the question, maximum level given in a question, minimum level given in a question, and sir, last attempt this question was asked. Last attempt. Sirji, and requirement is, Prabhu, your requirement is maximum consumption. Sirji, lead time will be given. Maximum lead time will be given. Minimum lead time will be given. And average lead time will be given. Maximum lead time is 10. Minimum is 6 and average is 8. Sirji, reorder level is suppose 1,80,000. Maximum level is suppose 2,40,000. Minimum level suppose 1,20,000 suppose, sir. Suppose, Sirji. Now you quickly tell me, if in a question minimum consumption per day is asked, what you will do? देखो, what given? Various levels given, reorder level, maximum level, minimum level given in a question. Reorder quantity is also given. Reorder quantity is suppose 20,000. Yes, Prabhu. And lead time is given. Maximum lead time, minimum lead time, average lead time is given. Question is, what will be the maximum consumption per day? What will be the minimum consumption per day? Sir, fast answer. Fast answer. Quick, Sirji, quick. How to calculate maximum consumption? Tarak Mehta ka ulta chashma. Then simply think that maximum consumption will appear in which formula, whether reorder level, maximum level or minimum level. Yes, Sirji. What is your way of thinking? I want to find maximum consumption. So I will think in which formula maximum consumption will cover. Is it reorder level, Sirji? So what is the formula for reorder level, Sirji? Maximum consumption multiplied by maximum lead time. Safety stock is not given in a question, is equal to 1,80,000. Correct, Prabhu? Now you tell me what will be the maximum consumption. Maximum consumption into maximum lead time is 10 is equal to 1,80,000. So what will be your maximum consumption? Prabhu, maximum consumption will be 18,000. Yes or no? If I want to find minimum consumption, please tell me where I will go. Which level I will go, Sirji? Which level I will go? That is reorder level, maximum level, minimum level. Is it maximum level, sir? What is the formula for maximum level? Reorder level plus reorder quantity minus average minimum consumption multiplied by minimum lead time. Yes or no? Saji, maximum level is given in a question, suppose 2,40,000. Saji, reorder level is 1,80,000. Reorder quantity I told you 20,000. Next, sir, minimum consumption into minimum lead time. Sir, you don't know the minimum consumption, but minimum lead time you have. How much is the minimum lead time? Is it 6, Sirji? Is equal to 2,40,000. Sir, please tell me what will be your answer. Minimum consumption, Sirji. Please tell me what will be your answer. Suppose reorder quantity is considered 30,000. Round figure you will get answer, I think so. Reorder quantity suppose 30,000. Yes, Sirji. Is it 2,10,000 on the left hand side minus 6 into minimum consumption is equal to 2,40,000. Sir, please tell me. Tell me answer, Sirji. Something went wrong. Tell me, sir, what will be your answer? So whatever answer. Sir, randomly data I have taken. Data taken randomly. So if you are not getting answer, don't worry. Think on it, how to calculate that. So if minimum consumption is required, then what you will do, Sirji? You will solve this maximum level. This is randomly question take. So this answer is not working. Don't worry, Sirji. Some minus plus or that difference is there. Forget that. Apply the concept. If you want minimum consumption, apply this formula. Is it clear to all of you? Done, sir. Now we are going to solve one question. You will help me in solving that question. That question is question number 2. Big question I will solve. So many times RTP, mock test, examination, final examination, this question is asked so many times, Sirji. From the following detail, calculate reorder level, maximum level, minimum level, danger level. Reorder quantity is to be calculated on the basis of following information. Cost of placing an order is 20. Number of units to be purchased during the year 5,000. Purchase price is including transportation cost 50. Storage cost is rupees 5. Lead time is given. Average lead time 10. Maximum 15. Minimum 5. Emergency 4. Rate of consumption is 15 per day. Average maximum 20. Within second, you will tell me what will be the minimum consumption. Why you are so late, Sirji? Maximum 20, average 15. How much is the difference, Sirji? 5. So 5 plus 5 minus. Is it 10, Sirji, minimum consumption? So what is your first question, Sirji? Acha, reorder level. What is the formula for reorder level? Fast answer, Saji. Reorder level. Maximum consumption multiplied by maximum lead time plus safety stock. Safety stock, they are nothing to do in this question, not given. Sirji, maximum consumption. Read question, sir. Last line of the question. Maximum consumption is 20 units multiplied by maximum lead time. Second last line, Sirji. How much is the maximum lead time? Is it 15 days? How much is your reorder level? Is it 300? Yes or no? For maximum level, something is pending. What is the pending for maximum level? Tell me formula for maximum level. Reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption multiplied by minimum lead time. Yes or no? Sir, what is the pending now? Reorder quantity. Yes or no? How to calculate ROQ? Means ROQ is nothing but EOQ. So first of all, we'll calculate economic order quantity. Sir, tell me formula for economic order quantity under root of 2 into annual requirement. Fast answer, sir. Somewhere they have given annual requirement. Is it 5,000? Multiplied by ordering cost per order. Sir, how much is your ordering cost per order? Is it 20 rupees? Divided by carrying cost per unit per annum, 5 rupees is given. Sir, please tell me how much will be the reorder quantity, economic order quantity? 200? Exactly 200? So let's apply that maximum level. Reorder level is 300. Reorder quantity we have calculated right now. Reorder quantity is 200 minus minimum consumption. Sir, last line, minimum consumption is, Sirji, 10 units. Minimum lead time is given in a question, 5 days. Sir, how much is your maximum level? Can you please tell me? Is it 450, Prabhu? What is the formula for minimum level? Reorder level minus average consumption multiplied by average lead time. Yes or no? Reorder level, Sirji, your reorder level is 300 minus average consumption. How to calculate that average consumption? Given, Sirji, 15 and average lead time is also given 10. 150 is your answer, sir, final. What is the formula for danger level? Danger level formula is average consumption multiplied by emergency lead time. On an average, you are going to consume 15 quantity. Emergency lead time is 4. 60 will be your danger level. Correct? How to calculate average level? Not asked. I am asking this. Sirji, maximum level plus minimum level divided by 2. Correct, sir? How much is your maximum level? Sir, maximum level 450, Prabhu. Minimum level 150, Prabhu. Divided by 2. Is it 300 is your average level? One more formula I told you which will give you different answer. Formula will be minimum level plus 1 by 2 into ROQ. Correct, sir? Your minimum level is 150 plus 1 by 2 into reorder quantity is 200. 200 na, Sirji? EOQ is 200. So what will be your answer? Is it 250? As I told you, both will give different answer. Both will give different answer. So always try to write both of them. So these are all tricky adjustments. Sir, everything, every tricky adjustment I have discussed with you of this type. Let's move with the next part, guys. Yes, sir. In last attempt, 10 marks question asked for this guys stockout situation. Which situation? Stockout situation. But question was different. Not this type of question. We are going to solve module question. Okay. The question which came in the previous attempt, we have taken in our classroom also. We have taken that in a classroom. Similar question. 3 question we have, 3-4 question we have taken. That 4th question is examination question. Same to same repeated in the last attempt. Now, sir, what do you mean by stockout? What do you mean by stockout? Very simple question I am asking. What do you mean by stockout? You require raw material. You require raw material, but sufficient quantity is not available. You require raw material, but what happens, Sirji? Sufficient quantity of raw material is not available. Sir, suppose you require 500. You required 500. How many quantity required by you? 500. But you have only 300 quantity. How much quantity you are in a stockout? 200. So stock out means requirement is there, but there is no stock. What is the disadvantage of stock out? Fast answer. Stock out disadvantage, Sirji. Stock out first disadvantage. Customer order may get lost. Customer will cancel the order. Next one, Sirji, emergency you will have to purchase. If there is no stock, higher price you will have to pay. Next one, idle time will be there of worker. Sir, material is not available. Worker will remain idle. Heavy machinery will be idle. Goodwill of the company get affected if you are not giving delivery in time. So this is a limitation of the stock out. If you want to avoid the stock out, what you will do? Safety stock. What you will do, Sirji? If you maintain the safety stock, if you maintain the additional stock, then there is a less chances of the stock out. But the problem with the safety stock is that if you maintain safety stock, additional carrying costs you will have to incur. So there is a big problem, sir. If you maintain higher safety stock, carrying cost will be higher, but stock out cost will be lower. Yes or no? If more quantity in safety, then stock out situation will be less. If you maintain less safety stock, or if you maintain zero safety stock, then carrying cost will be less, but chances of stock out will be higher. So stock out cost will be higher. Yes or no? There is an inverse relationship between, Sirji, that stock out cost and carrying cost. So you'll have to maintain optimum level of safety stock. Read this question. We'll have to solve this question. Yes, sir. Additional question. This question I have not taken in your notes. Additional question I am taking. So please concentrate. Thyro Tube trades in four-wheeler tire and tube. It stocks sufficient quantity of tire almost every vehicle. In year 22-23, the report of sales manager revealed that Mr. Thyro Tube experienced stock out tire. The stock out data is as follows. Stock out 100, stock out 80, stock out 50, stock out 20, stock out 10, stock out 0. Number of time occurred 2, 5, 10, 20, 30, 33. Please take total of this number of times. Sir, please take total of this number of times. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 10, 17, 37, 67, 33. Is it total 100, Sirji? What is the probability that demand will be 100? What is the probability that demand will be 100? Is it 0.02? 2 out of 100. What is the probability that demand will be 80, Sirji? Is it 0.05, 0.10, 0.20, 0.30 and 0.33? If you take total, probability total will be 1. Next one. Sirji, 150 will be loose. Company will lose 150 due to stock out. Loss of the company per unit is 150. Next one, 50 rupees per unit is a carrying cost of the inventory. If you maintain the safety stock, carrying cost will be 50. Calculate the optimum safety stock. Calculate optimum safety stock. My humble question to you, my simple question to you, my logical question to you, how much maximum safety stock you will maintain? How much maximum safety stock you will maintain, Sirji? Not more than that is required. How much it is? Why 100? Because maximum chances of stock out is 100. Okay, sir. Now I will prepare one table. Everyone please concentrate. What is that table? Please concentrate. How much safety stock I will maintain? I will maintain 100, 80, 50, 20, 10 and 0. So first I will take 100. Sirji, please tell me, if I have 100 unit in my storeroom, will in any situation I will be in a stock out? Think on it, sir. I directly have 100 quantity in my stock. Now please tell me, I have 100 quantity, demand 80, whether I am in a stock out or sufficient stock is with me. Sir, my safety stock is 100, demand is only 20, whether sufficient stock is available, yes or no? So Sirji, if I maintain higher safety stock, there will not be any chance of the stock out, correct sir? but additional carrying cost will be incurred because this 100 unit extra I will have to maintain every day, every month, every time of the year. How much is the carrying cost given in a question, sir? Is it 50 rupees? So please calculate 100 into 50. How much will be my carrying cost, sir? Is it 5,000? 5,000 or 500? 5,000. So stock out cost plus carrying cost is equal to total cost 5,000. You'll have to answer next. Try. Everyone please try. If my safety stock is 80, in which situation I will be in a stock out, sir? In which situation I will be in a stock out? Fast answer is expected from all of you, Sirji. More than 80. Yes or no? More than 80. Is it 100, sir? What is the probability that demand will be 100? Is it 0.02? Are yes or no? Next one. How many stock out units will be there, Sirji? Demand 80, demand 100, safety stock 80. Is it 20 will be stock out units? How much is the stock out cost given in a question? Is it 150? So 150 multiplied by 20, is it 3000? Are high na? But Sirji, 3000 will always be loss, or 3000 loss chance is only 2%. Only 2%, Sirji. Because 3000 will be loss only if demand is 100. If my demand is, Sirji, 100, then only loss will be this 3000. Always there will not be demand of 100. Only 2% chance that demand is 100. So, Sirji, 3000 into 0.02, is it 60 rupees, sir? Total also 60. I'll explain why 60 repeated in the next part. Sir, tell me, what will be the carrying cost? Now 80 units I am going to maintain. Carrying cost is 50. 80 into 50. Is it 4000? How much will be the total cost, Sirji? Stock out cost and the carrying cost is equal to total cost. Is it 4060? You tell me, if I maintain 50 safety stock, when I will be in a stock out? Is it 180? Yes or no? Probability of 100 demand is 0.02 and probability of 80 demand is 0.05. Quickly tell me, Sirji, demand is 100, safety stock is 50. Sir, fast answer, Sirji. How much I will be in a stock out? Is it 50 quantity? Is it 30 quantity? Per unit stock out cost is 150, Sirji. 150 stock out cost. So please tell me what will be my stock out cost. 50 into 150. Is it 7,500? 50 into 150, Sirji. 4,000. But always this loss will not be there. Multiply with the probability. 7,500 into 0.02. Is it 150, Prabhu? Yes or no? 4,500 into 0.05, Sirji. 225. So tell me what will be the total stock out cost, Sirji. 150 plus 225. Calculate, Sirji. Is it 375? How many units continuously I will carry, sir, now? 50 units, 50 into 50, 2,500. What will be my total cost? Is it 2875? Correct, Prabhu? Now quickly answer. If I maintain 20 safety stock, last I will take, then, Sirji, repetition will be there. Sir, quickly tell me, Sirji. 20 if safety stock is there, then when I will be in a stock out? 100, 80, 50. Probability 0.02, probability 0.05 and 50 ka probability, Sirji. How much is the 50 ka probability? Is it 10%? 0.10. Sir, tell me how much quantity I'll be in a stock out? Everyone, Sirji. Demand 100, safety stock 20. Is it 80? Then 60. Then 30. Multiply with 150, Sirji. 150 multiplied by 80. 150 multiplied by 80. Is it 12,000? Correct, sir? 60 multiplied by 150, sir. Is it 9,000, Sirji? Sir, correct, na? And is it 4,500? Multiply with the probability, Sirji. 240, 450, again 450. Sirji, what will be my total? Is it 1140? Sir, I am calculating orally. It can be mistake. There can be mistake. Please check and tell me. Now 20 unit multiplied by 50. 20 multiplied by 50. Is it 1000, sir? How much will be total? 2140. 0. Now I will pause. Tell me, sir. 10. 100. Return, sir. 80. Return, sir. Return, sir. 20. Return, sir. Probability 0.02, 0.05, 0.10. 20 का probability I'll tell you. 20 का probability is 20%. Correct, guys? हाँ, sir. Tell me, sir. Done. Next. How much will be my stock out? Next line. 90, 70, 40, 10. Tell me, what will be the stock out? 150 multiplied by 90. Is it 13,500? Is it 10,500? Calculator, sir, I am doing orally. Is it 6,000? 1,500. Now please tell me. Next. Multiply with the probability. 13,500. Is it 270, sirji? 10,500 into 0.05. 525. 6,000 into 0.10. 600. 300. Correct, sirji? Please count and tell me how much will be your answer here. 1,690. 1,695. Sir, 10 quantity continuously carried by you. 10 multiplied by 50. Is it 500? Total will be 2195. And last part, Sirji, fast answer, quick answer for this last part. Sirji, 0. When you will be in a stock out? 100, 80, 50, 20, 10. 0.02, 0.05, 0.10, 0.20, 0. Sirji, 10 ka 30%. Sirji, 0.30. Sir, how much will be my stock out units? All na, Sirji, because no safety stock will be there. Sirji, 100, 80, 50, 20, 10. Sir, stock out cost, is it 15,000? Is it 12,000? Is it 7,500? Is it 3,000? Sir, is it 1,500? Sir, check whether it is correct or not. Sir, multiply by probability 15,000. Is it 300, 600, 750, 600, 450? Yes or no? Please check and tell me how much will be the total. Calculation mistake is possible. I am doing orally. Sir, how much is the total? 2,700. Are you sure? No inventory is maintained extra. So carrying cost will be 0. 2,700 will be answer. Sir, please tell me what will be my optimum level of the safety stock. Should I maintain 100, 80, 50, 20, 10 or 0? Which safety stock I should maintain? Sir, where cost is lowest? Is it 2140? So 20 will be my optimum stock level. Correct? Next one. Most important point, Sirji. Most interesting point. Last 2-3 concept remain. Next 10-15 minutes. Khatam hai lecture. Sirji, landed cost of material. Most important question. Landed cost of material. Sirji, trade discount. What you will do about the trade discount? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tell me, what about trade discount, Sirji? What you will do for the trade discount? Sirji, trade discount will be deducted from the purchase price. Quantity discount deducted from the purchase price. Cash discount will not be deducted. You will have to write a note in examination. Cash discount is a financial arrangement, will not be deducted. Trade discount, cash discount, quantity discount, deduct. Next one, Sirji. Subsidy grant incentive. Subsidy grant incentive received from central government, state government, local authority, NGO or any other person. What you will do? Deducted from the purchase price. Road tax, toll tax. Concentrate. Road tax, toll tax, insurance, transportation cost, commission. These are all normal item. You'll have to add in a purchase price. What? Toll tax, road tax, octroi, then commission, buying a commission, transportation cost, insurance cost. These are all normal costs. You will have to add into the purchase price. Sirji, next one. What about GST? Fast answer is expected. What about GST? Goods purchase rupees 1 lakh, 18% is GST, 18,000 is the GST, total payment is 1 lakh 18,000. What about GST, sir? If ITC is available, record at 1 lakh. Correct? If ITC not available, record at 1 lakh 18,000. Two situation where ITC is not available, commonly used in costing purpose. First situation, if you are unregistered dealer, and second one, if you are composition dealer. If you are unregistered dealer, if you are composition dealer, credit not available. If credit not available, then add. Sir, one very important question. not asked till date. Not asked till date. It can be in your examination. Everyone please concentrate. Purchase price is 1,18,000 inclusive of GST of 18%. Purchase price is given 1,18,000 inclusive of GST 18% and ITC is available. Very important, sir. Not asked till date, but they will ask in your examination. Tell me, sir. Sir, first of all, ITC not available. ITC available. Will you add GST or you will not add GST? Not add, na, sir ji. So tell me what will be the cost of material. Are you sure 1 lakhs? How? 1,18,000 divided by 118 multiplied by 100. Is it 1 lakh, guys? Because 1,18,000 is inclusive of GST. Already GST is included in that. What if ITC not available? What will be your answer if ITC not available? Sir, 1,18,000. Don't again add 18%, sir. They have used the word inclusive of GST. Already GST is included in that. Sir, I'm really I think so. This adjustment they will ask in latest attempt, sir. I am really confident this adjustment they will ask. Inclusive of GST they will ask. Because students have not solved any question of inclusive of GST in costing. They just know 1 lakh is a purchases, 18% is GST and ITC available, ITC not available. Inclusive, be careful, sir ji. Next part. Sir ji, basic custom duty. Basic custom duty. Tell me quickly, sir ji. Sir ji, basic custom duty, credit not available. Never. So you'll always have to add basic custom duty. Demurrage charges, detention charges, fine, penalty, abnormal item will not be added. Directly transferred to costing profit and loss account. Insurance commission, completed freight inward, completed container. Sir, container is divided into two parts. Concentrate. You purchase the goods worth rupees 10,000, 500 rupees paid for the container, total amount paid 10,500. Sir, container is non-returnable. Container will be non-returnable. How much will be the price of that material, sir ji? Tell me, sir ji. Is it 10,000 or 10,500? 10,500. Sir, container is returnable and full refund is available to you. Full paisa the refund, sir ji. Now you tell me this material will be recorded at how much? Is it 10,000? But what if only 40% is refund? They are going to refund only 40%. Not entire amount will be refunded. Then this material will be recorded at 10,300. I think so, sir ji. Correct me if I am wrong. How 10,300? You deposited 500, 40% refunded, 200 refunded, 300 is your cost. So 10,300. Correct, sir? Loss, two treatment. Which are the two treatment of the loss? Normal loss and abnormal loss. Sir, the normal loss is to be absorbed by the remaining units. Yes or no? Abnormal loss will be transferred to costing, profit and loss account. Everyone please concentrate here. Quantity purchased by you 1,000. Purchase price is rupees 18. Quantity purchased by you 1,000 and purchase price is 18. Normal loss percentage is 10%. Actual loss is 120. How much is normal loss? How much is the abnormal loss? Read question and tell me. How much is the normal loss? 100 is the normal loss. 1,000 into 10%. 100 is the normal loss. And any loss over and above normal loss is called as a abnormal loss. Sirji, tell me. Actual loss is 120. Normal loss is 100. How much will be the abnormal loss? Is it 20? What to do about normal loss? Absorbed by the good unit. Not good unit. Absorbed by the remaining unit by inflating the rate. Sirji, formula is very simple. Total cost. Total cost divided by input minus normal loss. Sirji, check how much is the total cost. Is it 18,000? divided by input is 1000, normal loss is 100. Sir ji, 18,000 divided by 900, your answer comes to 20 rupees. Is it inflated? How it is inflated? 18 goes to 20. Is it inflated, sir ji? And how much amount you will transfer to costing profit and loss account? Costing profit and loss account, 20 multiplied by 20, is it 400? How much abnormal loss quantity? Is it 20, sir? 20 multiplied by 20, 400 will be transferred to costing profit and loss account. Yes, sir. Yes, Prabhu. Everyone please solve this question very quickly. SKD company not registered under GST. SKD company not registered under GST. Tell me, credit available or credit not available? If credit not available, then what you will do? You will add that. How much quantity purchased by you? Is it 1000? Okay, sir. Saji, please help me. Purchase price is 50,000. Read next item, Sarji. 50,000 is over. Read next item and tell me what to do. Read next item and tell me what to do, Sarji. Trade discount. Sir, what about trade discount? Sarji, deduct yes or no? Sarji, trade discount 10%. Is it 5,000? Net amount will be 45,000. Correct? Hai? GST credit not available. What you will do? 12%. Add. Sir, be careful. 12% on 50,000 or 12% on 45,000. Sarji, discounted price GST is applicable, not original price, Sarji. Consideration is only 45,000. 45,000 multiplied by 12%. Prabhu, your answer is 5,400. Sir, how much will be the total? Is it 50,400? Correct, Prabhu? What about cash discount? Sir, financial arrangement. Will you deduct the cash discount? No. Sir, you will not deduct the cash discount dash. Correct, sir? But my humble question to you, sir, in RTP, in last RTP, they have given one question where they have asked how much is amount of cash discount and what will be the treatment in costing. What will be the amount of cash discount and what will be its treatment in costing. Sarji, cash discount, first question, cash discount is applicable on 50,000, cash discount is applicable on 45,000 or cash discount is applicable on 50,400. Yes, sir. Everyone, Sarji. Last batch student, tell me answer. This batch student already I have told. Sir, cash discount 10% applicable on which amount? 50,000, 45,000 or 50,400? Means which price? 45,000 or 50,400 or 50,000? Any answer? Cash discount is applicable on which amount? 40? 40? Yes, sir. Concentrate. Sir, cash discount is applicable on 45,000. Why 45,000? It will not be applicable on 50,400. What is the logic behind this? GST discount not possible, sir. Yes or no? So remember this. You can check, Sirji. You can check recent examination or RTP question. They have taken cash discount. What is the amount of cash discount and what will be the treatment? So cash discount amount will be, Sirji, 10%. Is it 4,500? And what will be the treatment in costing? You will not deduct because it is a financial arrangement. Correct, Prabhu? Next item, sir. Fast answer. Freight insurance. Will you add? Okay, sir. Next, Sirji, please tell me toll tax. Will you add? 1,000. Added, Sirji. Demerge. Not to be added. Why? Financial, not fine and penalty. Abnormal item. Costing P&L you will have to transfer. Okay. Demerge. Commission normal or abnormal, sir? Normal. Commission will be added. Sir, please tell me what about this returnable container? 6,000 you paid. 4,000 is refunded. Sirji, please tell me how much I will write for this container. Are you sure 2,000? Sirji, most important adjustment, mind-blowing adjustment. Sirji, next level adjustment, other expenses is 2% of total cost. By the way, tell me how much is the total cost till now? 50,400 plus 3,400 plus 1,000 plus 2,000 plus 2,000. Sir, is it 58,800? Other expenses will be 2%. My dear friends, 2% is applicable on 58,800. Correct or incorrect? Incorrect. Remember, Sarji, remember. Why? 58,800 is not a total cost till now. 58,800 is not a total cost. After adding other expenses, it will be your total cost. Yes or no? So, sir, what calculation is required? Calculate 58,800 divided by 98%. So 60,000 will be your total cost, correct guys? Into 2%, Sarji, your answer will be 1200. So remember, sir, other expenses are 2% of total cost. 58,800 is not a total cost. After adding other expenses, 60,000 will be your total cost, Sarji. Remember this, don't make a mistake in examination. Sir, how much is your input quantity, Padho? How much is the input quantity? Is it 1000, Sarji? How much is the normal loss quantity, Sarji? Is it 20% normal loss? Tell me how much will be the cost per unit. Total cost divided by input minus normal loss. Total cost is 60,000. Input, how much input I told you? 1000. How much normal loss? 20%. Is it 200? Sir, 75 rupees is your cost per unit. Correct? Eh? One MCQ asked by them, how much good unit left? 800 na Sarji. How much good unit left? 800. How 800? 1000 purchase, 200 normal loss, 800 will be your answer. Correct guys? So your answer is over. Second last concept, only 1 minute. Next concept, only 3-4 minutes. Our topic is over. Sarji, next concept is inventory turnover ratio. What it is, Sarji? Inventory turnover ratio. What is it? What concept it is? Inventory turnover ratio means how many times old inventory is replaced with the new inventory. How many times old inventory replaced by the new inventory is called as the inventory turnover ratio. Sir, formula for inventory turnover ratio is very simple. Formula for inventory turnover ratio is very simple. Sir, Sarji, consumption, annual consumption divided by average stock. What is the formula, sir? Remember. Annual consumption divided by average stock. How to calculate consumption? Opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock is equal to consumption, and average stock is nothing but opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. So tell me, what is the formula for inventory turnover ratio? Are inventory turnover ratio, Sarji? Consumption divided by average stock. How to calculate consumption? Opening stock, add purchases minus closing stock is equal to consumption divided by average stock, opening plus closing divided by 2. One more question they will ask in examination. How many days inventory held? How many days inventory held? Answer is 365 days divided by inventory turnover ratio. Sir, conclusion of inventory turnover ratio. 3 conclusion. Either raw material will be fast moving, or raw material will be slow moving, or it is a non-moving. Sir, please tell me, inventory turnover ratio, if it is higher, inventory turnover ratio, if it is higher, then it is fast moving or slow moving? Inventory turnover ratio is higher means it is a fast moving. Inventory turnover ratio is lower, then it is a slow moving. You'll have to remember this. Sarji, solve this question very quickly. Question number 5. Yes, sir. Opening stock 90,000. Purchases 2,70,000. Closing stock 1,10,000. First of all, we'll calculate consumption. Opening stock 90,000. Purchase quantity is 2,70,000. Closing stock quantity is 1,10,000. Sir, I think so. Your consumption is 2,50,000, Prabhu. Average stock we will calculate. Opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. Opening stock is 90,000. Closing stock is 1,10,000 divided by 2. Sarji, what will be your answer, guys? Is it 1 lakh? How much will be the inventory turnover ratio? Annual consumption divided by average stock. Consumption is 2,50,000. Average stock is 1 lakh. Prabhu, your answer comes to 2.5. Say yes or no. Remember, in exam, write 2.5 times. What you will write there, 2.5 times, means 2.5 times it is happened that old inventory is replaced with the new inventory. Next one, number of days inventory held, 365 days divided by inventory turnover ratio 2.5. So 365 days divided by 2.5, on an average 146 days inventory is held by you. Correct? Last concept for the day, guys, and that concept is Sarji, ABC analysis. Last concept, guys. What that concept is? ABC analysis. Classify your raw material into three categories: A category, B category, C category. In A category, you will classify those goods whose value is approximately 70% of the total value of raw material, and its quantity is just approximately 10% of the total quantity of the material. B category, those goods whose value is 20%, quantity is also 20%. C category, those goods whose value is just 10%, but quantity is 70%. Which are your most important goods? A category, B category, C category. Which are your most important goods? A category is most important goods, B is moderate important, C is negligible goods, less important goods, Sirji. Sir, ABC analysis. ABC analysis. Sir, wrongly, sir, wrong question is printed here. I will show that question. Just a second, guys. Just a second required, sir. Yes, sir. I want to calculate ABC analysis for this question. How many items given? Item 101, 102 to 106. Saji, units are given and unit cost is given. Units are given, unit cost is given. Sir, ABC analysis will be divided into two parts. Concentrate. In the first part, you will give ranking. In the first part, what you will give? Ranking. Ranking will be given on the basis of value. Yes, sir. Take a total of this quantity. Take a total of this quantity, 750. Now tell me percentage of quantity, Sirji. 25 divided by 750. 25 divided by 750. What will be answer? Calculate, Sirji. What are you doing, sir? Is it 3.33%? Sirji, 300 if you take, your answer will be 40%. Sir, 50 if you take, your answer will be 6.67%. 75 if you take, is it 10%? 5, is it 30%? 75, is it 10%? Next one, Saji, price per unit is given total value. Multiply quantity with a value. Sir, please tell me 25 into 50, how much it will be? 1250, Prabhu? Are higher na? 300, 4,000, 600, 450, 900. Please tell me how much will be your total, Sirji. How much will be your total? Please tell me, sir. How much will be your total? 7,500. Now please check percentage of value. 1250 divided by 7,500. Is it 16.67%? 300 is equal to, is it 4%? 4,000 is equal to 53.33%. Next one, 600 is equal to 8%. 450 is equal to 6%. 900 is equal to, sir, 12%. Correct, guys? Value wise, which material is having highest value, sir? Rank 1 product, most important product. Which item is your first rank product? Is it 103? Which product is your second rank product? Is it 101? Which product is your third rank product? Is it 106? Which product is your fourth rank product? Is it 104? Sir, the fifth rank product is 105. Correct, sir? And sixth rank product is your 102. So what you have done in a first table, you have written quantity, percentage of quantity, price per unit, total value, percentage of total value, ranking on the basis of this value. Now simple ABC analysis. In ABC analysis, Start with the first rank product. Always start with the first rank product. Sir, check which one is your first rank product. First rank product is 103. Correct, sir? I'll write here 103. How much percentage of quantity, Sirji? Is it 6.67%? Its total value is 4,000 and percentage will be value 53.33%. Kindly tell me in A category which goods you will cover, whose value is approximately 70%. Whether 70% over, sir? No. Then what you will do? You will add one more. Till 70% approximately not completed, you keep adding, Sirji. So, Sirji, go to the second rank product. Which one is your second rank product? Is it 101, Prabhu? 3.33 is a percentage of quantity. Amount will be 1250 and quantity will percentage, amount percentage 16.67%. Take total 53.33 plus 16.67%. Whether A category over, sir? Done, Sirji. I'll take a total here 70%. Quantity will be 10%. Amount will be 5250 and it will be your A category. Correct, Prabhu? Then same sequence to be followed. After first ranking, you have written second ranking. After second ranking, go to the third ranking. Sir, third ranking, which product it is, Sirji? Third ranking, is it 106, Prabhu? Percentage of quantity is 10%. Percentage of value is 12%. Value amount is 900 and it is 12%. Sir, in B category, how much value goods you will consider? And how much completed till now? Now keep adding unless and until your bracket is completed. So we will add one more item, Sirji. So fourth rank product, please check which one is the fourth rank product. Is it 104, sir? Yes or no? Next one, percentage of quantity is 10%. Amount is 600 and is it 8%, Prabhu? Sir, check whether 20% is over. Done, Sirji. Amount will be 1500. Quantity total will be 20%. Sirji, it will be your B category and remaining all goods will be classified into C category. Fifth rank product is 105. Correct, sir? Fifth rank product is 105. If you can check there, percentage is 30%. 450 is value, 6%. And last item, let's sixth rank product. Sixth rank product is 102, 40%. And amount will be 300. It will be 4%. Yes, Sirji. You can check now. 10%, 70%. It will be your C category. Guys, this is an exam question where exact 70%, 20%, 10% applied. But in real life, it is not possible. So approximately, I am using the word always approximately. Approximately 70%. It may 69 point something. It may 71 point something. So keep adding unless and until approximately 70% is completed. Start with the first rank, second rank, third rank. Keep adding unless and until your bracket is completed. So first bracket is 70%. Second bracket is 20%. Third bracket is 10%. Sir, ignore quantity. What? Sir, in this question, it is exactly 10%, 20%, 70%. In your practical examination or example, sir, here it may come 33.40%. So don't worry, Sirji. We are nothing to do with quantity. We are just concerned with the value. Consider only up to 70%. Keep adding. 70% bracket is over. Go to the next bracket, B category. 20% bracket over, remaining all will be classified into C category. Yes, sir. I am not considering that FIFO, LIFO, simple average, weighted average. It is your part of foundation examination. So we will not waste that time because you know in FIFO method what to do, LIFO method what to do, average method what to do. Sir, in this 1 hour, in this almost 1.40, 150 hour, we have completed all important concept of this topic. Also, we have solved some question. As I will repeat, go revise this entire topic. Solve important question on rough paper. Sir, khatam hai. Your topic is over. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next lecture.